Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to the Domains Overview area of your account. This is the main place where you can see the domains connected to Cloudflare and manage their settings. Once you are on the Overview page, look for the domain where you want to create the subdomain. Next, click on your sample domain to open its management page. This will take you into the settings and configuration options for that specific domain. Since subdomains are managed through DNS, this is where you need to be before making any changes. After the domain page opens, click on DNS in the left navigation menu. The DNS section is where Cloudflare stores the records that tell browsers and services where your domain and subdomains should point. If you are creating a new subdomain, this is the section that controls that connection. Once you are in DNS, click on Records. This area shows all the current DNS records for the selected domain. You may already see existing A records, name records, or other entries here. That is normal, and it is a good idea to review the list briefly so you understand what is already in place before adding something new. Now click on Add Record. This opens the form where you can create the DNS entry for your subdomain. At this stage, you will need to enter the required details. Make sure you choose the appropriate record type and fill in the subdomain name and destination correctly. For example, depending on your setup, you may point the subdomain to an IP address or to another hostname. Take a moment here to double check everything, because even a small typo can keep the subdomain from working properly. As you enter the details, pay attention to the values you are using and confirm they match the service or server you want the subdomain to connect to. It can also help to review any proxy or DNS-only settings shown in Cloudflare so it matches your intended use. Once everything is filled out and looks correct, click Save. Cloudflare will then add the new DNS record to your domain. After saving, give the change a little time to propagate. In many cases, it updates quickly, but DNS changes can sometimes take a bit longer depending on caching and network conditions. If the subdomain does not work immediately, wait a few minutes and test again. That's it. You have now created a subdomain using Cloudflare.